The first time you walk through the door, it almost takes your breath away to be here, to see all of it, to see how fast people work, how much resilience everyone has to show every day.
Everybody works together. Everybody has a camaraderie that makes sure that the product is going to be put out 100% every single time.
The one thing that I love about my job is that I'm working in a peaceful but growing environment where I can talk very openly and on the same grounds with my colleagues, even though they are more experienced. They're always there to help me and be better in my career.
I really enjoy passing my knowledge to younger people who's willing to learn. Try to teach them how's the best way or easier way to do it, and just, let them do the rest.
It's a family. That's what it is. We stand up for each other. We help each other through hard times. So we're always there for each other.
It feels pretty awesome to see something that you've made and be right there, knowing that my team helped make the steel for this toolbox, and I know Press helped form those parts for that toolbox, and then assembly and weld, all of those people came together to build this one box that somebody's going to eventually buy and use and cherish in their own place.